A few weeks ago, I saw these Blackpool Pleasure Beach ride models on my Instagram story. I instantly wanted one and got one from a channel who was selling it. This channel is Liftils and Thrills, and the package came perfect, so a huge shout out for him for providing these ride models in perfect condition. With all that said, let's unbox this Icon ride model. So Blackpool Pleasure Beach was essentially selling a limited amount of these ride models back in 2020. Some of the models they were selling included Infusion, Icon, Wild Mouse, Big One, among many more. Unfortunately, online they only sell the Flying Machine model. When they did sell the Icon model, it was priced at £100, so is it really worth it? Well, let's get this package out. The boxing is really nice. Of course, the model is 3D printed by Cross Coaster, and yeah, on the package here we can see a few details about the ride, and yeah, overall the box is a really nice design. So yeah, opening the box, we're greeted by this card giving us a few details on the printing of the ride model. It took 32 hours to print and 1.5 hours to manually build. So here we go, let's start unpackaging the main item, the Icon train. This is the Icon ride model, and wow, what can I say? The train looks amazing, like really good. I mean, look how big it is. It's really quite big for a ride model. The detailing on the train is absolutely incredible. All of the honeycomb patterning on the side of the seat and the restraint, which I can't believe actually goes up. Yeah, I'm probably never ever going to do that again. Now, you can't have a wheel assembly without the track. And wow, this track looks exactly like the ride. It looks absolutely incredible. There are some little bits of fibre, however that is simply from the 3D printing and can easily be dusted off. At the front of the train it even has the Icon lights, just like the train. Just imagine if you could put batteries in this thing and it would actually light up. Now that would be a next level ride model. In terms of things that could be done to improve this model, well, there's only one thing that I've noticed, and that's that lovely sort of snakeskin pattern that Icon train has at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. And that sadly has not been transferred onto this ride model, which I guess would be quite hard to do with 3D printing, but nonetheless, the front of the train and the whole train in general looks absolutely brilliant. Unfortunately, these are no longer available to buy. The park sold a very limited amount. However, you can still buy the Flying Machines one and potentially the Wild Mouse one. However, you would have to go on the website or just go into the store at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, which is where they're most likely to sell it if they do have it in stock. In comparison to this Wild Mouse model, which I'll be reviewing at a later date, it's absolutely huge. Look at that size difference. However, the Icon model is much more expensive, but overall a better quality model. So there we go, that is the Icon ride model by Blackpool Pleasure Beach, and that is amazing. The overall design of this and the 3D printing is really well done. This will be going on my shelf and I'll be keeping it forever. It's just one of those things that will just look really nice on a desk or on a shelf. It's just an overall really nice quality product. My question to you is, would you pay £100 for one of these? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you did enjoy the video, do consider subscribing, as I make theme park content every week for you to enjoy. And with all that said, I think you'll quite enjoy this Blackpool Pleasure Beach vlog on a very quiet day. With all that said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.